Good day, everyone. Welcome to Seeing Beyond Sight. I'm your host for today. I want you to perform an action for me right now. Close your eyes and listen to the sound around you. So any sound you hear after closing your eyes is your vision. Today we'll be discussing about the transformation from hearing to seeing. This process is called echolocation. So, in detail, what is it all about? It's all about you paying attention to the sound, the noise in your environment. As a person living with visual impairment, you have to focus more on your sound. So I know that many people believe that for you to practice echolocation, you have to start clicking your tongue, clicking things. No, it goes beyond that. It's just about you paying subtle attention to every sound around you, be it from your footstep, be it from the sound of your voice that bounce back up the wall, or you just trying to figure out sound. So while paying attention to this subtle sound, you'll be able to figure out what it's all about. Like now, when you are walking in a close environment, the sound your foot make will be different from the one it will make when you are in an open environment. So if you can differentiate each subtle sound, it will help you to figure out things on your own. It will help us to differentiate things by we not just relying on our vision, since the sight is no longer functioning, but our ear is ready to be a gap to that barrier that the sight was meant to close. So paying more attention to our sight, to our vision, will help us to transfer hearing into seeing. You'll be able to figure out everything from the sound of size of objects to the texture, because you've already mastered your sound in every spaces you might find yourself, be it closed or open spaces. You can differentiate what is behind you before you, because of the sound you've been able to master. So today we've talked about transition from hearing into seeing, that is echolocation. Your ears will not just listen, it becomes your sight if you can master these habits. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments.